Imagine a moment when time has no meaning. A universe so ancient even the stars have forgotten how to shine. Where silence stretches for eternity and the last flicker of warmth fades into infinite cold. This is not science fiction. This is the real projected future of everything. From the tiny particles that form you, to the vast galaxies swirling light years away. In the next 10 minutes, we will travel billions of years forward in time, witnessing the death of stars, the collapse of matter, and the slow unraveling of the universe itself. This is the story of the end of time, and it begins right now. Our journey begins here on Earth, a planet constantly reshaping itself long before and long after us. The continents drift, the oceans rise and fall. A planet constantly reshaping itself long before and long after us. We often see Earth as a stable home, but it's anything but still. A planet constantly reshaping itself long before and long after us. Humanity too leaves its mark. Cities, carbon, satellites, evidence of a species briefly interrupting deep time. But Earth won't remain habitable forever. The sun, our life giver, has a countdown. In about 5 billion years, our sun will begin to die. It will swell into a red giant, swallowing Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth. Oceans will boil. Atmospheres will be stripped. Our once blue planet will be a scorched memory. Then the sun will shed its outer layers, leaving behind a white dwarf, a smoldering core the size of Earth but heavier than anything we've known. This is the fate of many stars, to burn, to expand, to collapse, and to fade. But our story doesn't end here. As eons pass, stars exhaust their fuel, a smoldering core the size of Earth but heavier than anything we've known. One by one, light disappears. The night sky, once filled with brilliance, fades to black. The cosmos becomes a cemetery of cold remnants. White dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. And these black holes, they're not eternal either. They evaporate slowly through a process known as Hawking radiation. Over unimaginable spans of time, even the darkest gravity wells disappear. Now, trillions upon trillions of years later, the universe is dark. But something deeper begins, the decay of matter itself. Protons, the building blocks of atoms, may not last forever. If they decay, everything crumbles. Atoms, molecules, planets, the very structure of reality. The last particles blink out, not with a bang, but a whimper. All that remains is energy, thinly spread across an expanding void. Time still ticks, but there is nothing left to measure it. Throughout all this, one mysterious force never stops working: dark energy. It drives the universe to expand faster and faster, stretching space itself. In the far future, galaxies will vanish beyond our view, ripped away not by motion, but by the very fabric of space-time expanding. It is the silent engine of isolation. One that leaves every corner of the universe cold, dark, and alone. But is this truly the end? Some theories suggest maybe not. There may be ways for baby universes to bud off from this one. New big bangs, new time, new possibilities. Life might begin again under different laws of physics, in a cosmos we can't even imagine. Perhaps we're not witnessing the end, but the cosmic equivalent of a single breath in an eternal cycle. The future of the universe is vast, cold, and quiet, but in contemplating it, we discover something profound. That even in our brief moment on one planet orbiting one star, we are part of this great story. Every atom in your body was forged in a star. Every thought you have is a ripple through time and entropy. And while matter may vanish and time may lose meaning, the act of understanding is a kind of eternity. So as we drift toward that distant silence, perhaps the universe will remember that once there were eyes to see it and minds to wonder why.